Very good morning to all of you. Hope all are fine. Now we start next chapter number 2 polynomial of class 7. Before starting chapter polynomial, some important point are there. First, polynomial. What is polynomial? A polynomial in one variable x is an algebraic expression of the following px. This is polynomial expression. Okay. So second is terms. Terms in the several part of a polynomial is separated by plus or minus operation are called term. Means this is plus or this is minus. You have to put instead of plus you have to put minus also. So this is polynomial. Means plus and minus sign separated the polynomial is called terms. So types of polynomial. Monomial means polynomial having only one term is called monomial. Mono means same, that is x power 23 7 upon 2 xyz 3x square yz square are monomial because this is only one term, this is only one term, this is only one term, means one term is called monomial. Binomial, bi means two. Polynomial having only two term are called binomial. Bi means 2. For example, x square plus y square, 3xyz plus m square, x square plus 2 are all binomial. Means this is 2 value 1 2, this is 1 and 2 2 value 1 and 2 2 value is called binomial. Then trinomial. Tri means 3. Polynomial having only 3 terms are called trinomial. Tri means 3. For example, x4 plus 3yz plus root 2 means 1, 2, 3 value is there. xyz plus 32m plus 6z are all trinomial, means 3 value, 1 value, 2 value, 3 value. So the main concept is there. Monomial is only one value, binomial is only 2 value, and trinomial is only 3 value. Okay. Then degree of polynomial. Degree, highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called degree of polynomial. Means if polynomial is given, you have to see which value is highest value. Means minus y cube plus y6 plus 2y6 means y6 is highest value, y की power 6 is highest value. Then second 8b minus 4ab plus 6a square b square is a polynomial which is highest degree. Means 8 power plus b 1 power, 8 plus 1 9 power is highest, because then ab 1 2 power, a square b square is 4 power, 9 power 2 power 4 power, so highest power is 9, so this is 9 power. Linear polynomial. A polynomial or degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means which have 1 degree, means x की power 1 root 2 y की power 1, so 1 degree is called linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial which have 2 degree is 2, means xy plus yz plus z means x की power 1 y की power 1 1 plus 1 2 y की power 1 z की power 1 1 plus 1 2 z की power 1 x की power 1 plus 1 2. Same is there. X square means 2 power is the where there is 2 power is called quadratic polynomial. Third, cubic polynomial. Cubic means 3 power, means 3 degree. A cube plus 3a square plus 2a, this is highest power 3 power, so 3 power is cubic. And x square y means 2 power is x and 1 power is y, 2 plus 1 1 3, so 3 power is cubic polynomial. Okay, so see this. First is, what is monomial? Monomial is only one value or one term. One term is there, means example x or simply y or 3xy z or 4 upon 3 y square x square and p square. So this is monomial. Second is binomial. Bio means 2, means 2 value or 2 term, right? So 2 term means 3x plus y, yeah, 3x square y square z square p square r square plus 4, this is 2 value. And trinomial is ट्राई मीन्स 3 टर्म्स और 3 वैल्यू। ट्राई मीन्स 3xyz प्लस p स्क्वायर प्लस q स्क्वायर, दिस इज 3 वैल्यू 1 2 3, और 3xyz p स्क्वायर q स्क्वायर r स्क्वायर m स्क्वायर प्लस q प्लस 8, दिस इज ट्राइनोमियल। मीन्स मोनोमियल ओनली 1 वैल्यू, बाइनोमियल 2 वैल्यू, ट्राइनोमियल 3 वैल्यू। ओके, देन exercise 2.1. 2.1 means which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not. State reason for your answer. 4x cube minus 3x plus 7. So this expression having only one negative integral power of x, because x की power 3 means x power 4. This is negative integral, so it is a polynomial in one variable. Minus sign is there, so it is negative integral. Y square plus root 2 non-negative integral. This is negative integral, this is non-negative integral, so it is a polynomial. This is your question, you have to do yourself. Second, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Coefficient means x square suffix of प्रीफिक्स ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर। प्रीफिक्स में एक्स स्क्वायर से पहले क्या वैल्यू है वो वैल्यू आपने पुट करनी है। सो फर्स्ट 2 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स, इन एक्स स्क्वायर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज 1, एक्स स्क्वायर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज -1, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर π/2, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स। In fourth question x square is not there, so you have to write 0. If question comes coefficient of x, what is the value of x? So you have to write x is 1. See this, if question come 2 plus x square plus x cube, right? So question ask coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square. So in coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of x cube is 1, right? But if question comes 3x square plus 4x cube minus 8x की power 4, so write coefficient of x4. So coefficient of x4 is -8, right? Or question asks coefficient of x cube is 4, coefficient of x square is 3. Okay, see this. Second, give one example each of binomial. Binomial is 2 term of degree 35, degree 35, and binomial is 2 term and of a monomial of degree 100. Give one example. You have to give example of binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. Binomial, first y35 plus 2, 1 2 terms are there, so it is binomial, and this is degree y35, so degree 35. And monomial of degree 100 means y100, or you have to write x100, or you have to write t100, means one value is there and power is 100, degree is 100. Write the degree of each of the following polynomial. So highest, you have to see highest value, which value is highest, you have to see the power. 5x cube plus 4x square plus x, x की power 1, x की power 2, x power 3, तो x की power 3 is highest, so degree of polynomial is 3. 4 minus y square is highest, so degree of polynomial is 2. 5t minus 7, t की power 1, so degree of polynomial is 1. And t, degree of polynomial is 0, because you have to see alphabet. In this case there is no alphabet, you have to see alphabet power, but in fourth question there is no alphabet, you have to write 0. Fifth question, classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Linear is 1 degree, quadratic is 2 degree, and cubic is 3 degree. So x square plus x, so highest is 2, so that is quadratic polynomial. X minus x cube, 3 degree is there, so it is cubic polynomial. Y plus y square plus 4, square is there, square is quadratic. 1 plus x, only one value, 1 is linear polynomial. 3t, 3 की power 1, so it is linear polynomial. R square is 2 power is there, 2 is quadratic polynomial. 7x की power 3, x की power 3 is cubic, so 1 is linear, if power is 1 is called linear, if power is 2 it is called quadratic, if power is 3 it is cubic polynomial. Okay.